Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mo Yang, and today I wanted to show you guys something cute and fun. I guess a little craftsy. I don't know, I thought I was Martha Stewart for a second. So everyone knows spooky season is here and Halloween is coming, and I know everybody's getting their costumes ready or whatever. I don't know, I'm just not really in a spooky mood this year. I don't know. But I still wanted to dress up because it's going to be my first time giving out candy at my own place. So I wanted to dress up. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to dress up as, but I decided to do keep it really like cost efficient or whatever. So I just bought, the main like piece for my outfit, and I think at most it was like $20, 25 I think most. And then to go with my outfit, I decided to make these shoes. Obviously I didn't make the shoe itself, but I painted these, and I only did these for about, I think, $3-4. So if you want to know how I turned a regular old shoe to my costume shoe for $4 or less, just keep on watching. So here I have these shoes that I don't really wear anymore. There's just some normal heels. I don't know what the material is for it. It's kind of soft. I don't know. But I'm using alcohol right now to wipe on top of the shoes. So the adhesive that I use will kind of cling onto it better. I kind of just took that concept from like when you get your nails done. They use alcohol, of course, and then apply the whatever, everything, So I probably should have cleaned these shoes, but honestly I really didn't care about these shoes, so it's just kind of whatever. It's just for this costume. I have some Mod Podge right here. I don't know if you guys know this, but Mod Podge is actually very expensive, and I actually found this at the dollar store. It was only like $1 for each little pack. I got some little brushes to get all the little details, and I got a whole bunch of glitters. I'm going for a purple look, so I'm mostly using like reds and, or not red, like pinks, purples, and then like one of the dark blues, just so it can be like a darker purple or violet. I don't know, same thing. But yeah, I'm just mixing it all together in this cup. I have this love-hate relationship with glitter because obviously it can get really messy, and I was really trying to be like clean because I don't really want to clean up everything by myself, and I have roommates too, and I didn't want them to be annoyed with me. So yep. So I try to prepare everything first. I got my glitter, and then adding more stuff, I guess. Oh, to change the color, that's what I did. I added a little bit more blue to make it a little darker. And so I use this little like sponge brush to apply the glitter, and I just start going. I don't do like a super thick layer, but I don't do like a thin layer, just a good amount and stuff. And then with the glitter, I just kind of start patting it on. A lot of people would probably just tell me to just pour it on. I really just didn't want to deal with that, so I just thought that this would be a lot easier for me cleaning wise, so it wasn't too bad, honestly. And it looked really cute. It was like really pigmented, and I really enjoyed that. And any sparse areas that I saw, I would just like grab the glue and then apply it to wherever I saw sparse areas. I've never really done anything like craftsy like this, at least in a really long time, especially for a Halloween costume. I was trying to say I don't care about Halloween this year, but I'm over here doing this. But honestly, I just wanted to try something new. And I just like really could not get myself to buy new shoes just for a costume that I was never going to wear. Like if I were to look for shoes like this, it would be like $23 and up, and I couldn't get myself to do that. I couldn't even justify it. So I just figured, like, why not? And honestly, this would be fun, and I can show other people how to do it too if they really needed to. And I told you guys I wasn't gonna show you or tell you guys what I was gonna be for Halloween, just because I kind of want to keep it a surprise up until Halloween. Yeah, because like I had some things set or like in mind that I was gonna be, especially with my long hair. I was gonna be like Barbie or whatever, and then I cut my hair, and I felt like I had to change my idea, especially since like I didn't want to like go through a process of a wig or extensions or anything like that. So obviously with that clue, you know that I'm gonna be wearing my short hair. 2, I'm gonna be wearing these like glitter heels. So yeah, I feel like with my next video that I'm going to do, you guys can probably figure it out. I don't know though. You'd have to be like, I don't know. You would have to be like a fan of this person. So we'll see. This year will be like my first year of giving out candy as an adult, of course, in my own place. So I'm pretty excited. We even got I'm using purple right now to just kind of do the toe part. I don't know why I put glue on the toe part if I wasn't going to put glitter. And it makes sense for me not to put glitter because my toes are going to be there and all the glitter is going to come off on my toes. And I feel like either way, some glitter will be coming off. But, you know, why do that to myself? But anyways, like I was saying, me and my roommates, we bought full-size candy bars to give out to kids. And we may end up like getting some other mini candies, but we wanted to do that just because like when I was a kid growing up, like we had like cool candy houses. Like my parents like did a really good job at like finding like cool neighborhoods or like rich neighborhoods to go to because like they had the best candy obviously. And when I like was in middle school, we had moved to Orange County and we lived near one of the richest like cities in Orange County, and it was like old Orange County. So like I lived in Villa Park, I didn't live in Villa Park. I lived in the city of Orange, and next door was Villa Park, and it was a lot of people like with money and old money too and stuff. So we would go up there and they would have full-size candy bars, and I just thought it was like the coolest thing. So I just figured I'd do the same thing too, for these kids to have these kind of little memories. Probably not do it every year, but yeah, I'm basically done. That was it. I sprayed up Got To Be hairspray because spraying hairspray on the glue and the glitter will keep it binded together, and hopefully it will just last for the one night of Halloween. So yeah, it was just kind of time consuming, but that's pretty much it. It was really easy, and this is how it turned out. It looks a little messy. And the glitter ended up getting on the toe part too, but it's fine. It'll do, and I think it'll work for my costume just for the night. I'm not wearing these out anywhere else, but thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween this year. Bye.